Hello everyone, my name is Puyo Sani. I am 17 years old. I am a grade 12 student at Paradise English Language School. I have been attending this school for 3 years. Last year, I joined British Council KED exam. In that class, I learned about reading, writing, listening, and speaking. Everything is not easy for me, but I try my best. The teachers in Paradise English Language School are very patient to me. After attending this school, I felt that my English skills are better than before. The teachers are good at teaching grammar and vocabulary carefully, so it became easier for me to write essays and letters. The things I learned at Paradise English Language School are useful not only in this school, but also in my daily life communication. In the past, there were times when I didn't dare to speak English well, but after attending here, I can speak English well. The students at this school are very friendly. The facilities at this school are also complete, so studying is good. After I took KED exam, I received this award for my hard work. I would like to thank you to teacher Thapaini and teacher Yamindu for teaching me to improve my English skills and achieve this award. Thank you for listening.